Welcome to this 4-minute tour of our Protocol Policy Lite system. The Protocol Policy system is designed to provide your organization with a comprehensive suite of acceptable use IT policies, branded and customized to meet your organization's IT security requirements. It is ideal for organizations of 250 users or less and for organizations in non-regulated industries. Once our system is implemented, we ensure our customers continue to have up-to-date policies using current terminology and accurate mapping to the ISO 27002 industry standard. Some people like to call us their trusted policy advisors. This cloud-delivered solution allows all your user base to have easy access to the system contents. Policies can be selected for viewing from the left-hand menu. This list is a sample overview of the policies we provide with a Lite system. A typical customer implementation sees up to 16 policies being deployed. If your organization has some existing policy content that it wishes to incorporate into the IT policy system, then this can be catered for at build time. Let's select a user policy example and take a close look at what information is provided. This example is formatted to comply with the ISO 27002 standard, so the content includes a statement of purpose, scope, and the actual policy statement. The statement wording has been written in plain English by our policy editors so that detail is easy to read and understand. During our on-site policy workshop, you have the option to either accept the wording put forward or to tailor the wording to reflect what occurs in your organization, or to not include this detail at all, as the policy is not currently relevant to your organization. If a user wishes to get a more detailed understanding about why your organization has selected a particular policy for use, then they can select the Explanation button. All the policies in the system are mapped to the ISO 27002 industry standard, and we provide on-screen buttons so you can drill down from each policy to view the specific standards detail and satisfy audit requirements. Throughout the system, we use a range of on-screen button types, where appropriate, to hyperlink from the policy content to useful forms or guidelines stored on the system, or to process and procedural content. The acceptable use policy can be printed in PDF format by selecting the Print option on the top right-hand side of the screen. This form can be branded as per your organization requirements. We can also store your forms to integrate with your policy document management system if you need to keep a store or repository of these forms there. Let's take a quick look at the other key elements of the Protocol Policy Lite system. Our Navigation tab, as the name suggests, gives you details on how to find your way around the system. Key terms and their definition can be found listed in this section. You can search for specific topic information in this section and then link through to view relevant policy content. The Top Tips section provides some good advice on the use of systems and software in the workplace. Process and Procedures. As the name suggests, this section allows you to store process and procedural documentation. We provide a procedural document for handling a security incident by default in this section. Forms, Logs, Guidelines menu. The Protocol Policy system ships with a comprehensive range of pre-prepared forms as standard. Alternatively, if you have existing forms, we can incorporate them into the system. Should you have a preference to store all forms on your organization's document management system, this can readily be configured using a hyperlink from the policy system. Also, you can find a selection of guidelines in this section of the system. Legislation. The policy system also lists the latest legislation or statutes applicable to your organization and jurisdiction. That completes our tour of the Policy Lite system. If you would like to get further information on how we can assist your organization, then feel free to contact us by email, sales@protocolpolicy.com, and a representative will book a time to call you for a further discussion. Thank you.